Have you ever experienced being depressed? I'm gay, and my parents doesn't support me with it.
Bakit, Lex? Hoy! Lex! Mataas naman ah. Pinipressure ka naman ba nila mom and dad?
Pataas na ba yun? Hindi na matatuwa sila ma'am and dad dito kasi hindi ako tap. Sigurado akong sususunod na naman ni CJ sila ma'am.
Palagi naman eh. Hindi ka na nasanay.
Bakla. Tumigil ka na, CJ. Kaya mo na ate. Ano bang kailangan mo? Alam mo, hindi ko alam na pangalawa ka lang.
Oo nga, ba't ka mag-isa? Hindi ko na siya pinapasok. Masama kasi yung pakiramdam niya.
Tara, daanan natin after class.
Tara!
The only way to beat Aika is to cheat. Kinuha ko tong answer key on our teacher's desk.
Alex, okay ka lang? May dala kaming foods, kain tayo while we're brewing.
Bakit pala kayo napadaan? Siyempre, para kamustahin ka.
Kamusta pala kayo ng mami mo?
Ganun pa rin, para di naman kayo nasanay.
Cheer up, Alex.
For our top one, Alexander Ian Perez. Mr. Perez, let's talk.
After all, I realized what I did. All I want is a support from my mom. I'm so disappointed in what I did.
Sorry guys. Pinapasabi din pala ni CJ, sorry daw sa mga nasabing paggawa niya.
After that, I learned to be more strong and independent. Lahat ng problema ay may solusyon. Huwag magpapadala sa hamon ng buhay. Choose to be strong all the time. Don't let anyone pressure you. If you cheat, you will not succeed. Don't ever let the pressure exceed the pleasure. badminton kasi hindi naman ako na. So, siguro.
Hindi ko na siya pinapasok.
Ay! Ba't ginawa?